Hello, good day. This is Roger Defoe, Excel and MIS consultant from RAD Software Systems. In front of you, you're seeing a customized dashboard that I built for a fictitious supermarket group known as Trinimart. The dataset is synthetic dataset, which is fake data modeled on real-life macroeconomic situation to portray the supermarket group. I've got a bunch of widgets which summarizes for management the performance of this particular entity. I have a summary table on top, which gives branch count 9, the revenue, maximum revenue, and the total gross revenue. That is roughly 213.2 million. This is confirmed by the matrix below, which tracks the payment cards and type. So we have cash, credit, links, and WePay, which is a payment gateway for the Caribbean region. Okay, below I have 4 widgets, which one compares a gross revenue on average for the branches. We have Arima East, Sangre Grande, Scarborough. And it's dynamically linked to the chart. So for instance, I took 3. I want to find out, say, bakery, dairy, we do bakery, dairy, and meat food. We want to look at the performance of the credit card. And as you're seeing on your left, the chart is being dynamically adjusted. I will just clear out the slicer widgets. We go further to the bottom, we are comparing average revenue versus total revenue by categories. The pie chart, it breaks down the number sold for the various products. The data set is housed in a relational database, in this case it's Postgres. The data model for it, it's comprised of these 3 tables, then branches, products, fact sales. The virtual table that pulls together everything is a BW weighted dashboard. I'm using Power Query as the data transformation tool that pulls the data from the Postgres database and populates the management dashboard. Please bear with me, it's taking a bit longer than normal. Okay, here we go. Again, we're seeing 1.2 million. So another worksheet. Okay, the matrix I ran a pivot to rotate the columns, and these are the steps that the system generated. This was before pivot, this was after pivot. Okay, thank you very much. Again, my name is Roger Defoe. I'm from RAD Software Systems. Please feel free to look at my website at www.radsoftwaresystems.com. Thank you.